Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride, empowering you to succeed financially.
Today we're answering your questions, and I'm here with Ed Babtkis of Ross Diversified Insurance. Ed, tell us, what type of insurance is advisable for a real estate long-term investor?
The long-term real estate investor has a couple of different options. The big puzzle pieces are replacement cost policies, so that there is plenty of money to repair the property to the way it was before any approved claim occurs. A policy that has loss of rents, because if there is a claim, it may take 6 months to get that property back in good standing and the tenant may have to move out. So a minimum of 6 months, preferably 12 months, because the premium is so inconsequential, of loss of rents, also known as business interruption insurance. And then finally, liability insurance, so that if there's an accident that occurs at the property, you as the landlord do not have personal exposure to your net worth. The liability portion will cover the legal expense of defending any lawsuit and then any claim proceeds, which is why lenders, when they loan on these properties, require replacement cost coverage, loss of rents, and liability coverage, normally in the amount of $1 million with an aggregate of $2 million, aggregate simply meaning the most the insurance company will pay in any given year. If I'm a lender with multiple properties, there are portfolio programs where I can have one policy that encompasses all of my properties, and therefore I still have the same coverages. It's just a little bit easier for me to manage as an investor because I have one effective date and one expiration date. And we see those used when an investor may have 15 properties or more, sometimes a little bit less, but usually a good amount of properties.
Ed, thank you for your time today and your expertise.
There are more investing secrets that are quite powerful for you to build your wealth. If you'd like a VIP introduction to any one of our experts, click on the link below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single tip from any of our seasoned experts. Okay, watch the next video so you can capture our next secrets to investing. If you're ready, it's time for you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.